Today we are going to learn how to add a sub-recipe to a recipe in MenuMax. To begin, I will enter the recipe section. I can do this by clicking on this recipe collection icon when I'm on the home page, or from anywhere within the MenuMax application, you can click on the recipes button here in the top navigation. Now we'll select the collection that we want to work in. And now you'll select the recipe that you're going to add the sub-recipe to. So I'm going to click on this apple pie recipe because I'm going to add a sub-recipe of pie dough. So I'll click edit so that I'm in the edit mode where I can make an addition to the recipe. And we'll click this add sub-recipe button. Now I'll begin typing the name of the recipe I'm looking for. Click search, and here's the pie dough that I want. MenuMax is asking me what's the quantity, and I want 2 of those. I'll click save, and here it adds that sub recipe here at the bottom. Now if we go and click save, and we go back to the main recipe detail page, you'll see this to each pie dough. If we click inside nutrition, you'll see here under pie dough that the data is coming from the sub-recipe where I analyze the nutrition on that recipe, and it just adds it right to this. And then if we click back into costing, you'll see that I have a completely gold costing coin because MenuMax has just taken all the costing from the pie dough recipe originally that I did and adding it to this recipe. So you'll see that price difference reflected here in cost per serving. And that is how you add a sub-recipe to MenuMax.